Okay, so here, I strapped him in over here, and there's another leash right here. That's to strap him in. But the zippers go down on both sides. So either way you can put it left or right. I know, he's spoiled. You strap it around your car seat like that, and around here. So there's a strap for both of them for your car seat. You can't see it, but it's for your car seat. Because I have the car seat over here. And this is for the leash, for, you know, for his harness. And the zipper up. It was the first time, I mean, because he always wants to, you know, like be in my seat. I wish the zippers were a little bit higher, but I see why though, but it holds him pretty good though. I need to strap in that a little bit more, but for the most part, yeah, I like it.
The whip on her nose.
Oh.
Get down.
He said,